car week might be over, but the combos here in Beverly Hills have simply just begun. The 4x4, and we got the Arab 918 out. That man has brought a red carbon shear on, which is somewhere down that way. So let's actually get out of the car and take a little look-see. All right, guys, we got this white and black Challenger turning onto Rodeo. It seems as if he wasn't able to decide which color he wanted, so why not have both? We got a pretty standard Beverly Hills combo, a white SV. And we got the Rolls Royce, Mr. Rolly. Hey, look, another Huracan. We got the dynamic duo over here. One's a V6. Light is too short to drive a boring car. Respect. Now this is a pretty rare spot, guys. We got a T-Rex in green. Guys, check out this California. White interior with the wheels, and she's jamming. Oh my goodness. Is that a body kit on the California? Now, you know me, I like a good spec. We're currently here on Melrose, right next to Earth Cafe, where all the Arabs love hanging out. And by the way, this is one of their hotspots too. It's Joe the Juice. But we got a red GT2RS on, you guessed it, console plates. You can't really see it, but I'm just too lazy to get out of the Prius, so yeah, sorry guys. Talk about a 24-hour Flexorama marathon. This blue Bentley, this chrome blue Bentley is out on Rodeo. And yeah, we just saw him last night, so he's back. He's back better than ever. Wow, that is a quite the formidable wing, so to speak, on a BMW. Wow. You guys always know how I rag on the V6 F-types. Well, props to this gentleman here, all the way from Florida, because he's put the wing up, so respect. Oh yeah, there's the 918. We didn't actually turn around for the 918. I turned around for this beauty right across the street that is currently blocked by this enormous statue of a naked woman. Hold on. The 918 is on that side, but what's interesting is what's on the other side of the road. It's a Rolls Royce limo. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Check that out, guys. It's got the lights. There he is. What is this thing here? The Sexy Vegan. What the? Before they were famous, Sexy Vegan. Oh no, he's being interrogated by the one and only 90210. What the? I think the police are just as confused as I am as to what is happening here. The Sexy Vegan. Wow. What is the man holding? Now I'm curious. I want to know what is going on here. All right, so I managed to zoom in on the Sexy Vegan's little billboard, and unfortunately I have his buttocks in frame. I do apologize. I don't know if he tried to set something up in the hotel with that billboard or that little poster thing that he's created, but it looks like the hotel staff are involved, and yeah, the Sexy Vegan just chilling. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh. He's like pulling. Oh, he already knows. He already knows. He's gonna get lit up right around the block. Yeah, there he goes. All right, guys, time out. We just turned onto a parallel street, and the cop has not pulled him over, but he's still tailing. Oh. He just parked his car there, and the cop just, dude, locked out. I think the cop didn't have enough proof to pull him over. He did whip out that mad U-turn because he heard the supercharger whine spool up a little bit. No, but it's his lucky day. Look who it is. We got BHPD 90210 right behind me, and we got the Arab GT2RS. polarize that. Oh, there you go. By the way, I found my polarizer. It is in my freaking backpack this whole time, guys. What am I doing? Just wait for it. We got the red carbon Chiron all the way from Qatar being blocked by this Mitsubishi. Hold on, just give me a second, guys. Just be patient with me. Hey, there it is. Nice. Holy smokes. Currently nighttime here in the 90210 Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive. As per usual, we're all trying to avoid or actually be on the lookout for the boogeyman. So you're probably wondering exactly who is the boogeyman here at night in Beverly Hills, and I have to tell you with certainty that it is not who you think it is, because when you think of the traditional sense of a boogeyman, it's kind of like someone scary, they're hiding underneath your bed, they're gonna scare you. No, we're talking about Officer Pena. And yeah, we've seen quite a few cops just roaming the streets here of the 90210, pulling people left and right. So let's see what we got and just go from there. Guys, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not quite sure what to tell you, but Arab o'clock is officially back. We got all the Qatari cars. You got a couple Saudi cars. There are a lot more cars on the adjacent or the parallel street on Beverly, but oh my god, dude, we got this guy in a V6 F-Type mobbing it down on Rodeo. Dude, he should be pulled over for having a fucking V6. Where's Officer Pena? Guys, here we go. He's gonna gun it. Oh, oh my god. That is a most dreadful noise by the one and only base of most base specs, the V6 F-Type in white. I feel like they're gonna, that's pretty sick. Is it R7? There's a lot of, there's a lot of cars and people around. That C63 is freaking monstrous. Oh, we got a Saudi plated Huracan. But what's even rarer is this M3 CRT on Saudi plates as well. 67 ever made in the entire world. One of them is sitting right here in the good old 90210. Super rare car, M3 CRT carbon racing technology. Earlier this year, guys, there's one of these for sale in the US, one of 67. 5 of them are actually right-hand drive, 62 are left-hand drive, but they're trying to sell for what, $300,000 for an M3 CRT. And of course, we got the Nardo Gray Bentayga with the burnt orange interior. So this one's on Qatari plates, I believe. Let's take a look. No, it is not. To the untrained eye, there are no distinguishing features on the outside to indicate this is a CRT special edition. You got the bucket seats in the front and the rear. On the passenger side, on the dash, there's a CRT logo. But yeah, you guys have it. It's a frozen silver color. That's probably the wrong color code, but uh-oh, someone was in trouble and no longer is. Ooh. Behind him, there's one and there's number 2. Get the snap. Yes, yes. Oh my god. You think he's gonna do it? Nah, he's not gonna do it. See Mr. Pena right there, right behind the blue M6. They're making the left. Now the question is he going to pull him over? And it is a green light. I don't know. This is a very tricky business. Ooh, ooh. I don't know. I guess we'll never know now. Well, this is a I'm not really sure what's going on here. Maybe it's just a standard DUI check. Got this standard Huracan driving around here, but oh, I don't know what's I don't know. Maybe it's not looking. Yep, it is definitely a DUI checkpoint. check this out, guys. It's not quite donk, but it's sort of there. I like it. I do appreciate it on the Infinity FX there. Yes, stay tuned, guys. You guys know that I enjoyed last year's donk show in Orlando, and we'll be back bigger and better than ever. So stay tuned for that coming up in a few months. But yep, Hollywood Boulevard, you see the oddest and weirdest things here on during the weekend. So I don't know, let's just keep exploring.